Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram not downloading files on your PC after the new update. It can be frustrating when you're trying to save images or videos from Instagram, only to encounter issues with downloading. But fear not, we've got some tips to help you troubleshoot this issue. First up, let's start with a simple solution: restarting your device. Sometimes, a quick restart can resolve temporary glitches or conflicts that may be causing the problem. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that makes a difference. If the issue persists, it's worth checking for any device updates. Ensure that your device's operating system is up to date, as outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility issues with apps like Instagram. Another potential culprit could be a VPN or proxy service that you're using. Try disabling it temporarily to see if it's interfering with the app's functionality. If none of these solutions work, don't worry. You can always reach out to Instagram's official support channels for further assistance. They may be able to provide more specific guidance based on your individual circumstances. In conclusion, dealing with Instagram not downloading files on your PC can be frustrating, but hopefully, these tips have helped you troubleshoot the issue. Remember to restart your device, check your internet connection, update your device's software, disable any VPN or proxy services, and reach out to Instagram support if necessary. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.